Samsung is one of the largest companies in the world, currently offers coverage in most countries, and is characterized by its high level of innovation, which is why it is not surprising that its digital marketing strategies are fun, innovative, and reach us in one way or another. To start, we must consider the context that the company faces. Currently, consumer trends and purchasing decisions are affected by digital media, since unlike traditional marketing and advertising, this means allowed more information to be transmitted at a faster rate. Access to the internet had changed greatly since its inception. It is not the same as 20 years ago, and thanks to this, the way in which we consume products has changed. In the graphs, we can see that the percentage of internet use have already exceeded 50%. Samsung is a technological icon. Currently, it's positioned as one of the market leaders. The Korean company has managed to scale the point where it develops innovations in all segments where it is located, from the development of televisions, smartphones, tablets, to refrigerators and air conditioning. The origins of the current Samsung Group date back to March the 1st of 1938. That day, the entrepreneur Lee Boon-chul opened in Daegu an import and export company of perishable products, which he called Samsung Shanghai. On November the 1st of 1969, Samsung founded in Suwon what will be its most famous subsidiary, Samsung Electronics, specializing in technology and electronics. Thanks to an agreement with Japan, NEC Corporation began producing appliances and audiovisual devices. Samsung Electronics became the world's largest mobile phone manufacturer in 2012, surpassing Nokia, which led the market since 1998. In addition, management announced the increase in investment in biopharmacy, biotechnology, and smartwatches over 10 years, as well as a new headquarters in Silicon Valley. The only truly threatening competition for Apple in terms of mobile devices is Samsung. The South Korean company is aware of that, and therefore is wanting to play the same game as Apple. These two companies seek to position themselves as the main brand of smartphones and tablets. The information before is because Samsung has a broader portfolio than Apple is positioning as a leader in the market position, as we can see in this chart. Samsung is a large company that has a strong presence on the web. We can find it on social networks with profiles for each country, websites for each country, and endless information that allow followers of the brand to feel included in the company. Samsung seeks to connect the world, which is why its digital marketing strategies are developed globally, but its campaigns are created for local markets. Thanks to that, we can see that there are TV commercials, YouTube guidelines, and others that have the same objective, and its content is the same all over the world. On apps issues, Samsung has developed a store where applications are developed by its authority. That's why this company developed applications for multiple areas such as health, sports, entertainment, culture, and many others. The launch of this is a digital marketing strategy and very influential in the purchase decision. In 2017, for the launch of its new Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, Samsung was seek to gain attention of the market, mocking its biggest competitor in a video where it shows a timeline of the Galaxy against the iPhone, highlighting its advantages and showing the disadvantages of the competitor. its latest Galaxy camera, this global campaign from Samsung targeted the millennial community who regularly upload photos to social media. The electronics giant created a social media marketing campaign dubbed Likes a Photo Take It, using young influencers to demonstrate the key difference between the quality of images for a normal smartphone and the Samsung Galaxy. In 2015, for the launch of its new Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge, Samsung wanted to do something special to demonstrate the loading speed of its new model. They made a series of events in the street with funny activities. This resulted in more than 5,000 views on YouTube and an increase in sales in Poland. Samsung had a great performance at the Oscars. At the time that the best selfie taken today in these awards, the company invested a large sum of money for this to happen. This had a big impact on their networks and influenced the purchase decision of many users, since many people will buy a phone because of the quality of the photo or just because celebrities use it. Samsung has been part of many criticisms for its controversial campaigns and the development of its products, since in previous years multiple critics compared many aspects of their phones and other products with their competition. Even so, this has not been a factor for the company to stop in its digital marketing. It is important in the industry that there is a company that has a broad portfolio, since it seeks inclusion, which is why Samsung remains in a competitive position and manages to face its biggest Apple competitor. Among the most remarkable learning in this case, we can find that Samsung is a company with a long history and that has focusing on innovating through its products and its campaigns in digital marketing. Finally, the digital marketing campaigns developed by Samsung have a broad focus, as they not only promote their more expensive products, but instead seek to promote various market segments.